Today's video is a what sold video. I will share with you 15 of the items that helped me gross close to $1,500 in 1 week as a part-time reseller. Now these items sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and they are everyday items that you too can find at your local thrift store and garage sales. If this sounds like something that interests you, give this video a like and let's get started. So what you're looking at here is the spreadsheet that I keep track of all of my sales in. This is for the week of March 14th through the 19th. So a Monday through a Saturday, it's the items that I shipped. Like I said, these are all the items. Highlighted below down here are the ones I'm sharing with you today. I paid $152.85 for all the items that sold during that time. The shipping that I actually paid was $203.01. Any fees associated were $189.29. I do calculate eBay fees at 13%, which is this column right here. The gross sales, including the shipping that I did receive, I do charge my buyers shipping, was $1,419.43. So when it was all said and done, my profit for the 5 days, $874.28. Now let's take a look at 15 of those sales. Okay, so we'll start on Mercari. I sold this Western shirt. It's a women's shirt. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold for $25, so my profit $17.97. These Western shirts, both men and women, when they're embellished like this, do sell fairly well and quickly. As you can see here, it's got beaded fringe with embroidered front. I probably should have added vintage to the title, as this tag does appear to be vintage. But looking at these keywords, I had side saddle, Western shirt, and beaded. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I sold this pair of TK Axle bootcut denim jeans. I paid $4.75 for these at Goodwill. They sold in a little over 1 month for $29. My profit, $18.45. Are you guys familiar with TK Axle? This is what that tag looks like. I have sold this previously and they do sell fairly well. I just do not find it that often. Next, I sold another Western shirt. See, I told you they sell well. This is a panhandle slim, also women's, embroidered. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 2 months for $35 on Poshmark. So my profit, $22.53. This is what that tag looks like. Panhandle Slim is a fairly known brand, and those shirts do sell well also if they are embroidered and embellished. As you can see here, this one has gems or studs on it. Make sure you include Western in your title. Cowgirl probably would have been a good keyword to add to the title. And this one did have the flip cuff, which is a different design on the cuff instead of the sleeve. Next on Poshmark, I sold a new with tag Umgee tunic shirt. It sold for my full asking price of $44. I paid $3.50 for this, so my profit, $31.70. I picked up several of these, probably 6 of them. I had the tan color, I had a cream color, and a black color. I do think I have one of these left. But anything new with tags, Umgee is a new brand I'm trying out, and it does sell fairly well, especially at this price, $44 new with tags. If you're new to my channel and have not watched my previous videos, I do like to match these odd colors with a Crayola crayon. As you can see here, this color most closely resembled raw sienna, and I will add that to my description. Next up, I sold a Ray Dunn coffee mug. I keep telling myself I am getting out of the coffee mug game, but these mugs, when you can find them for just 25 or 50 cents, are so hard to pass up. This one had Survivor spell out printed on it. I paid 50 cents for this. It sold within 3 months of listing, so the coffee mugs are usually a longer tail item. So my profit on this mug, $13.90. Next, I sold an Abercrombie & Fitch men's sweater. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold in a little over 1 month on Poshmark for my full asking price of $39. Now you can see here I did use this stock photo on Poshmark. However, I do cross list to eBay and I did not include the stock photo. You want to be careful listing items with stock photos on eBay as you could get in trouble, possibly banned. This is a cable knit sweater, athletic fit. My profit on this sweater, $27.45. Abercrombie & Fitch was a thing when I was in school and it looks like it's making a comeback. Now this sweater was part cashmere and I think that added to its value, but do keep your eye open for anything Abercrombie & Fitch. Next up is a new with tags swimsuit. I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand, but this is how you spell it. It is new with tags. Swimsuits at this Goodwill were $2. This swimsuit sold for my full asking price of $33, so my profit $24.40. This was a new with tags swimsuit with the panty liner still attached. Anything new with tags, like I said, I do tend to pick up at Goodwill, and this includes swimsuits. Taking a look at these keywords, I added new with tag, the brand, it's a size medium. It's a one-piece swimsuit. I also included bathing suit, pink, swim, strappy, and plunging. I'm not real sure why I have up here, but up is also included in the title. And it sold, so. Next up, we have a Callaway golf men's hat. This is also new without tag. The caps at this Goodwill are just $1. It sold for my full asking price of $22 within 9 days of listing, so my profit $16.60. Keep your eye out for these baseball caps, especially now being summer and warmer weather. Callaway is a good brand. It's a golf brand. Next up, I sold a cinch western shirt. Again, I used a stock photo on Poshmark, but did not include the stock photo on eBay. This is a smaller size, extra small, so I hesitated about picking it up, but I did go ahead and take a chance on it. I paid $3.75 for this. It sold for my full asking price of $39. My profit, $25.73. In addition to the stock photos, I do include my own photos. As you can see here, this is what the inner tag looks like. This shirt was recently dry cleaned, so I did add that to my description. So keep your eye out for cinch western wear, even in smaller sizes. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold this Bon Jovi t-shirt. It's from their 2001 concert tour. Paid 25 cents for this at a garage sale. I accepted an offer of $15. It had been listed for about 6 months. The buyer did pay $7 shipping, so they were $22 all in. My profit, $14.74. I thought maybe I'd get a little bit more than $15 out of this t-shirt, but like I said, I had been sitting on it for about 6 months. So when the offer came in, I accepted. Next up is a pair of Sanita clogs. I paid $3 for these at a garage sale. They sold for $26.93 and the buyer did pay $13 shipping, so my profit $23.54. This is kind of similar to a Dansko brand. You do have to be careful on these though and do the bend test on the soles to make sure they do not break apart. Also, this being a European brand, I do also include the size chart for conversion. Looking at these keywords, I have Sanita, which is the brand, size 37. It's a US size 6.5 and 7. I included Mary Jane, clogs, leather, ankle strap, buckle, and stapled, as the edges are stapled. Next up, I sold a Hang Ten Hawaiian shirt. I purchased this at Goodwill for $3.75. It sold for $42.59 within just 1 month of listing. The buyer did pay $7 shipping. So my profit, $35.51. Now this is a vintage shirt, button front, short sleeve, Hawaiian. I included all of those keywords in addition to floral and the size. I picked up 2 or 3 of these Hawaiian shirts that day, all hang 10, and I believe they all sold. Next up is a new with tags bra. This is this brand here, WACOAL. Again, anything new with tags that I can pick up at Goodwill, I tend to give it a try. I paid $4 for this. They did have it priced up. Typically, bras are just $2 here at this Goodwill. It sold for $30 on a best offer. The buyer did pay shipping of $7, so they were $37 all in. My profit on the bra, $24.61. This is a good size 36 double D, which added to its value. Next up is a vintage Mickey Mouse embroidered t-shirt. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. I accepted an offer of $15 plus $7 shipping. I did have it going on 7 months, so when the offer came in, I quickly accepted. My profit on this t-shirt, $11.22. Now I'm not so sure that I would pick this up again. Oh, actually it is new with tags, so that probably is why I picked it up in the first place, but I'm not so sure that I would do so in the future. Again, with the crayon, this color, Robin Eggs Blue. And the last item I'd like to share with you is a 5.11 tactical series. I believe it's a military, possibly concealed carry shirt. It is vented and long sleeved. I paid $1 for this at a garage sale. I actually picked up 3 of these that day. This one sold for $20 plus $9 shipping. Now I did have it priced high at $38.88. It took about 3 months to sell, and I did accept the $20 offer. Like I said, I had 3 of these. So when an offer came through that would pay for all 3 of them, I accepted. My profit, $16.03. Now I do pick up this 511 tactical series quite often, so do keep your eye open for this. I just shared with you 15 of the items that helped me gross close to $1,500 in 1 week as a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me that you like this kind of video and would love to see more. While you're at it, leave a comment below and let me know which one of the items were your favorite. Many of you that are listening have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.